Sometimes, friends are fantastic. They are there for you when you need them, they make you laugh, and they go on adventures with you. But whether you're trying to make friends at school, online, or as an adult, sometimes it can feel incredibly difficult. 1. Offer to be available. You must first put yourself out there in some way in order to meet people if you want to create friends. Friends might approach you if you just sit by yourself, but that is unlikely because they might assume you like to be by yourself. Sit with other people, for instance, if you're still in school. Try to pick a table with at least 2 other individuals, even if it isn't particularly busy. 2. To make new friends, join a group or organization. This is an excellent method to meet others who share your interests. Making friends with someone doesn't always need that you have a lot of interests with them. Even those friendships between 2 people who don't share much in common can be quite fulfilling. However, if you have a particular interest, consider looking for a place where you can find others who have it as well. 3. Work as a volunteer for a cause you value. Individuals of all ages can meet new individuals through volunteering. Together, you create strong ties with others. Additionally, you can come across people who share your enthusiasm for the same subject. 4. Make an effort to connect with your existing network. You probably already know a few individuals who have the potential to become close friends. Think about attempting to build relationships with your coworkers, classmates, or even users in your social media network. 5. Seek out opportunities to engage in conversation. If you don't genuinely talk to people, it doesn't matter if you join a club, attend school, or attend church, you still won't establish friends. In the same vein, being social doesn't require membership in a group. You have a chance to make an enduring friend every time you speak with someone. Just say something amiable to start a conversation, such as, "Isn't it a gorgeous day?" or "That is an awesome shirt," and see where it goes from there. Don't worry about saying anything particularly noteworthy. 6. Smile and make eye contact. People are less inclined to accept your friendship if you don't appear approachable and welcoming. When someone speaks to you, or you talk to them, look them in the eye and give them a warm, welcoming smile. 7. Make small talk to keep the conversation moving. Ask questions and share a little about yourself to keep the discussion going if the other person appears interested in doing so. It doesn't have to be meaningful or extremely intimate. It's crucial to demonstrate your ability to participate in the conversation and listen while doing so. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.